You're tracking your calories. You're hitting the gym. You're doing everything the plan says, and the scale still isn't moving. That's exhausting because it feels like nothing you do actually works. Here's the truth. You're probably not failing because of your diet or your training. You're failing because of something almost nobody talks about. Your water intake. Now, before someone says, just drink more water, bro, it's not that simple. Stick with me. Let's break it down, mistake by mistake. First mistake, mistaking thirst for hunger. Your brain uses almost the same signal for both. So when you're mildly dehydrated, you don't feel thirsty, you feel hungry. And you eat extra snacks, extra calories, for a problem water would have solved. Second mistake, underdrinking makes your body hold on to more water, not less. Sounds backwards, right? But when your body senses low water intake, it panics. It holds on to every drop you give it just in case. That shows up as bloating, puffiness, a scale number that won't move, even when fat is actually coming off underneath. Third mistake, dehydration quietly slows your metabolism. Even mild dehydration, around 1 to 2%, can measurably lower your calorie burn. Your body needs water to run basic processes, including burning fat for energy. Skimp on water, and you're turning down your own engine. Fourth mistake, training dehydrated and wondering why performance drops. Even 2% dehydration can reduce strength and endurance. Weaker lifts, shorter cardio sessions, lower total effort, less effective workouts, adding up over months. Quick pause. If you've been doing everything right and still not seeing the scale move, hit like and subscribe. This is exactly what we fix here. Fifth mistake, replacing water with flavored or sugary drinks, juices, sodas, fancy coffees. They feel hydrating, but they come loaded with sugar and calories you're not tracking. You think you're drinking, you're actually eating, in liquid form. Sixth mistake, relying on caffeine and calling it hydration. Coffee and energy drinks are mildly diuretic. That means they can push more water out than they put in. So your hydration might actually be working against you. Seventh mistake, skipping water before meals. Drinking water before you eat helps you feel fuller, faster. Skip it, and you're more likely to overeat before your brain catches up. Eighth mistake, overcomplicating it. You don't need a gallon jug with timestamps. You don't need fancy electrolyte powders for a normal day. You need consistent water, spread through your day, especially around meals and training. So what should you actually do? Drink water first thing in the morning. Drink a glass before each meal. Keep water with you during workouts. Watch your urine color as a simple check. Pale yellow is the target. Nothing extreme, just consistent. And here's the part most people miss. Fixing your water intake won't just move the scale. It will fix cravings you thought were about willpower. It will fix workouts you thought were about motivation. It will fix plateaus you thought were about your metabolism being broken. Because sometimes the missing piece isn't more discipline. It's something this basic. Subscribe if you want simple fat loss fixes that actually make sense. And watch the next video, where I'll break down the sleep habits that are quietly stalling your fat loss too.